So here's how you can create a Fiverr gig. It's quite simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any of the steps. So the first thing you're going to do is to open up the browser in which you have your Fiverr account. Type in Fiverr into the search box and open up the first link which says fiverr.com. Here you can see that you are in the buyer dashboard, but you first need to switch to your selling dashboard from this top right corner. Now here are two ways in which you can create a new gig. First, you're going to click on My Business and then Gigs, and then you will have the option to create a new gig. In case you do not have this option, you will go to your profile and click on this Create a New Gig area. Now here are 6 steps in which you can finish creating your gig. In the first tab, you are first going to put the title of the service you are providing. Then you are going to select the category in which that service lies. Then you are going to put any 5 positive keywords about the service you are providing. Then you are going to click on this Save and Continue button, and you will be referred to the next step. Here, you can select the pricing of that service. You can disable this offer package if you only want to give one offer, otherwise you can enable it if you want to give multiple offers. First, type in the title and description of that offer. Now select other filters like delivery time, things you're going to add, and finally the price. Here you can also add extra fast delivery charges if you like. After that, you're going to click on this Save and Continue button, and you will be referred to the next step. Here you are going to write complete description about the service you are providing. After writing the description, you are going to scroll down until this FAQ place arrives. You can add any questions and answers that frequently buyers ask. You are again going to click on Save and Continue. Here you have to write anything that you need from client to start the work. One question is must required, which can be given by the client in form of attachment or free text. After you are done with that, you are again going to click on Save and Continue. In this stage, you are going to attach the images and videos you want to display for your gig. Furthermore, you have options to attach 3 images in which one is must. You have free choice if you want to attach any document file or not, and you are going to click on Save and Continue again. In the last stage, you are not going to put any information, but you are just going to click on Publish Gig. Now you can see this message from Fiverr that your gig is open for business. Now let's check if our gig is really published or not. For this, we are going to our profile page, and as we can see that yes, our gig is published.